Hey up duck, today I'm going to show you 5 different nails and we're going to do quick, easy peasy designs you can do in the salon in a record time. So let's get cracking. Before you behold, there are 5 nail tips. I've painted one in Void, I've painted this one in NoFilter, and these 3 just have base coat on. So let's get started. Now, I think this is probably one of the most fun things to do. So you don't just have to do it on a black nail, you can do it on other coloured nails, but I'm going to show you on a black nail for a dramatic effect. We're going to use Silver Fox and we will need a magnet for this. So we have a magnet because Silver Fox is a top coat, but it has magical powers. It is also a cat eye / magic eye, as I call them, a magic eye formula. So this is like probably the easiest nail art you can ever do on a client. So if somebody's booked in, they want nail art, but you've not really got time for it, and they'll have pretty much anything. They're quite easygoing, but they want something. They want a bit of something. You're going to put that on. You're going to take your magnet and you're going to push away the pigment. So you're pushing away all of that glittery pigment. So you've got an almost black nail. Now the longer you leave this, the more the pigment will start to come back. But can you see how it's just coming back a little bit? So this is something you need to do pretty quickly. So we're pushing away, pushing away, pushing away. Then you're going to take a Cassidy detailer. We're going to draw in a cool pattern, and as you draw in, it reactivates the pigment, and in the lamp we go. And because it's also a top coat, you're done. How cool is that? And it's done. It's so quick, and it's something a little bit different than just using your magnet to create shapes and things like that. You can push it away and go bam, 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 in the lamp, you're done. Off you go. Ta-ra, duck, have a nice holiday. Ta-ra.
Next.
Yeah, next one. Right, so we're going to take one of these now, and we're going to use from the Candy Shop collection. So we're using sherbet. So what I love about these is the shimmer particles they have. So we're going to do a full nail. And then what we're going to do is take the design needle end of the Pammy picker upper. And we're going to pull through and create lots of swirls. Now any that don't join like that, you can just go over again. And because it has those shimmery particles in, what it does is it creates this gorgeous swirl all through the nail. And you get this it's like a 3D kind of illusion as well. I love it. And then we're going to top coat. And that's it, she's in the lamp, she's curing, you're lining up your next client. What we having? What do you mean you want nail art? Oh my God, you haven't booked in for nail art. Right, okay, let's figure out what we can do. I'll show you that while Bonnie just, runs around the place. The Candy Shop collection has amazing properties, so we're going to use a couple of those colours. So I'm going to use some of the, what colour's this? Fizzy Wizzy. Bit of Fizzy Wizzy here, And then we're going to use cream cake here. I'm just going to let them touch. Doesn't need to be a perfect line or anything like that. Then I've got a Cassidy detailer, and I'm just going to swirl through where they meet. So you get a little bit of a marble through that section. See, it's one of those that doesn't need to be neat. Can you see I've got that marble? You can leave it like that, or you can swirl through the rest of the gel, which creates a really cool effect because you pull the pigments. Oh, I love it, get in the lamp, get in the lamp. Let's top coat this. Right, next what we're going to do is we're going to get the Silver Fox. So this can be on, yes, this is a clear nail. It doesn't have to be clear, it can be on a natural nail. And then we're going to take a magnet and we're going to push this way, oh, without touching. In the lamp. There's that other one, I love that. Simple and quick. I'm going to do one more coat of this. In the lamp. And then we're going to use Party Pool, which is a jelly top coat. So you can use any of the jelly top coats to create that. It's subtle because it's not over black. And look, we've got a nice soft pink with that cat eye effect. Look at that. So it can be used, Silver Fox can be used on a transparent nail or even a nude nail. And you can put the jelly top coats on to change the colour so you get a whole new effect. Super quick. Okay, so we've got a nail that has no filter on. We're going to use the colours from the candy shop again, and we're going to do French. So let's get the French down, and this one is called Sours. Makes me think of apple sours as well. Right, second coat. Then I'm going to use Peach Fizz, and we're going to pick that up with the design needle. And I'm just going to drop that down here like this. Then we're going to use icing sugar, not actual icing sugar. So this is easy because it's literally just dropping a little bit of gel polish onto wet gel polish. There's not a lot of skill involved. So you haven't like wasted a load of time curing between all the layers. Everything was done wet. It's simple, they're just little dots. You can do it in multiple different colours. Then we're going to top coat. No, I'm sorry, no more today. I'm fully booked, darling. I'm fully booked. Fully booked, sorry. Can you get in tomorrow? No, fully booked, sorry. You'll have to book next year. All right then, try dog. Ciao. They are 5 designs that are quick and easy to do. And you know, like with this one and this one, because these colours are from the Candy Shop collection, they all have this pigment in. So you can do it in so many different colours. And you've just got quick, easy designs. Get them in and out. Take the money. And bye-bye. See you in 2-3 weeks. There you are. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget, check us out on Facebook and Instagram because we're always there putting new content up. New content up. There's too many T's in that word. Too many T's. Talk about tea. I'm going to have one now. And I'll see you in the next video. I love you all.